Good morning, my dear students. Today, under the p-block elements, I am going to discuss halogen family. Halogen family. That is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. These are the members. So, I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. As I already told you, so these are the members. Fluorine. So electronic configuration always ending with outermost 2s2 that is general is ns2np5 is the general formula for all the halogen family. So fluorine, that is given in the short form, the electronic configuration of helium plus 2s2 So neon plus 3s2 argon configuration plus 3d10 4s2 Like that it is going. So fluorine 2s2 chlorine 3s2 bromine 4s2 iodine 5s2 astatine 6s2 So this is the electronic configuration. Symbol for fluorine F, chlorine Cl, bromine Br, iodine I, astatine At. Now, coming for today, I am going to discuss under the halogen family the general properties as usual. Then only I will go for individual members, the preparation properties of the compound. First one, general characteristics, occurrence. Number 2, atomic size. Number 3, melting and boiling point, that is physical properties. Ionization energy, oxidation state, metallic character, electronegativity, nature of bonding, and reactivity. So these are the general properties I am going to discuss under the halogen family. Kindly follow. First, occurrence. In the occurrence, fluorine family constitutes 17th group of the periodic table according to long form of a periodic table. There are number of periodic table we have discussed already under the periodic classification of elements. We have discussed. That is the Mendeleev periodic table, the long form of periodic table, the modern periodic table, everything we have discussed. Now, fluorine family constitutes 17th group of the periodic table in long form. So, totally 18 groups and 7 periods. This group is also known as halogens. That's why halogen family. All halogens are very, very reactive and do not occur in free state. All except astatine, the last one, are found in combined state. Except astatine, fluorine is the 13th most abundant element by weight in the earth crust. Please follow. Fluorine and chlorine are gases. Bromine is a liquid, whereas iodine and astatine are solid. This is most important. Please keep it in mind. Fluorine and chlorine are gases. Bromine is a liquid, yellow liquid. Normally we are using to differentiate alkene, alkyne. Differentiation we are using bromine water. Whereas iodine and astatine are solids. Specifically, astatine is a radioactive material. It has a short half-life period of 8.1 hours only. 8.1 hours half-life period. Now, coming for the second general property, size, atomic size. I told you always, generally in the periodic classification, first we are discussing atomic size, then only all other properties. So, generally, atomic radius or ionic radius increases across the group. The values are given in picometer. So, see, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Given value, it is atomic 72, 99, 114, 133. This is ionic. Kindly follow. So, the value for the astatine is not given because it is a radioactive metal. It is not measured. Now, coming for melting and boiling point. The melting and boiling point generally, kindly follow here, I have given already the atomic radius ionic generally increases across the group. Kindly follow fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Only you will take. So the size increases. Kindly follow 72, 99, 114, 133. This is the all other periodic properties. This is increases, and if you go here, this is decreases across the group. Other property means other property, ionization energy, electronegativity, electron affinity, the properties we can these three properties decreases. Kindly follow. Now, coming for physical properties like melting and boiling points, the values are given in Kelvin. The melting points and boiling point increase regularly across the group. Increase regularly across the group. Kindly follow. Melting point 54.4, 172, etc. So boiling point here again, this increasing regularly. Kindly follow. So you need not memorize the values. Only the trend you have to memorize. Please follow. Coming for ionization energy is the most important general property and periodic property. Generally, ionization energy decreases across the group. Ionization energy decreases across the group. See here 1680, 1256, 1142, 1008. It is given kilojoule per mole. Kindly follow. So ionization energy decreases across the group. Reverse of atomic size. Oxidation state. I told you already in all other family, entire family in the periodic table, oxidation state is the most important. Give information regarding the reactivity. All of them have electronic configuration of NS2 NP5. There are totally 7 electrons in the outermost. Totally 7 electrons. In order to get at the octet, so accept 1 electron will be easier. So always they will have an oxidation state of -1 generally. Okay. All of them have electronic configuration of NS2 NP5, and they tend to gain or share of 1 electron to assume nearest to noble electronic configuration. All the halogen exhibit minus oxidation state. Please, minus what? Oxidation state. From the electronic configurations in the ground state and various excited states, it is observed that 1, 3, 5 or 7 electrons are available for bonding. If you go for the electronic configuration, so the electrons are available, free electrons are available in the form of 1, 3, 5 or 7 electrons are available for bonding. See, for example, if we take I, let me give example like this. IF, there is IF. This is, we'll call it as interhalogen compound. In this case, I is the more positive, fluorine is the more negative. They will form a compound among themselves. This is interhalogen compound. We will be discussing later. Here, example I am giving. So, in this case, 1 electron is there. Then IF3. So, 3 electron unpaired. So, IF5 we have. Then IF7 we have. So, 1 electron, 3 electron, 5 electrons, 7 electrons are available for bonding. Kindly follow. Continuation of oxidation. The oxidation state exhibited will be -1 or +1 depending upon whether the element combining with the halogen is less electronegative or more electronegative than halogen. Please follow. Higher oxidation states are exhibited in the excited states. Kindly follow. Higher oxidation states are exhibited in the excited state. Only oxidation state possible for F is minus. So, which is the high electronegative 4 according to Pauling. So, any element combined with fluorine will be always negative, so always -1. Whereas if you go for the bromine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, kindly follow, they will have positive oxidation state depending upon the here just see the reading now. The plus 1 depending upon whether the element combining with halogen is less electronegative or more electronegative than halogen. Suppose if it is combining, kindly follow chlorine, bromine and iodine. It combines with fluorine. Fluorine is more electronegative. So these will have plus 1 oxidation state or plus 3 or plus 5 or plus 7. So that means higher oxidation state are exhibited in the excited state. The only oxidation state possible for fluorine is minus 1. Except fluorine, all other the halogen will have minus 1 or plus 1, plus 3, plus 4 like that. Kindly follow. Coming for metallic character. Generally, metallic nature of element increases across the group. Fluorine is the most electronegative element. Coming for another important property, general property, electronegativity. I told you already. Electronegativity. What is electronegativity? It is the tendency of an atom in a partially ionic covalent compound. The electrons move towards the more electronegative. Say for example, HCl. It is a covalent. HBr covalent. HI covalent. So what I will write now, so there is mutual sharing. Chlorine, it is 3s2 3p5. So it is 7 electron. 1 electron is shared here. So 6 electron here. So mutual sharing covalent bond. So what will happen now? These electrons, because of high electronegative 3 chlorine, the bond pair move towards chlorine. It will be indicated in this form. Kindly follow. It is indicated in this form. This is actually called inductive effect. In organic chemistry will say. So the electronegative halogen is very high. I told you. Fluorine 4, chlorine 3, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5. Kindly follow. The electronegative halogen is very high. Generally, electronegativity decreases across the group. I told you, only atomic size increases across the group. All other property decreases across the group. Fluorine has the highest electronegativity value among themselves, that is 4 according to Pauling. So here just let me give one information. You have already studied under the periodic table. Let me give here just to remind you. Let me give here. Kindly follow. The hydrogen, the first group. The next lithium, second period. First group, second period. Lithium, beryllium. I am leaving the transition element. I am writing boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. And again you will go neon. So we will concentrate these two only. So this is 4. Please students, this you have to memorize. That's why I am giving. 4 simply minus 0.5. 3.5, 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1. So this hydrogen is 2.1. Kindly follow. Here in this case, chlorine 3, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So this also you can memorize easily, 2.8, 2.5. Why I am asking to memorize this order? Because this order is easy. Simply starting from fluorine, subtract minus 0.5, you can get the value. And hydrogen you can memorize 2.1. Chlorine 3, 2.8, bromine 2.1. Why? Because in order to identify a compound is a covalent or ionic, the difference between the two atoms, if the electronegative difference is greater than 1.9, more ionic. Less than 1.9, more covalent. Please follow. So, whether it is a covalent or ionic or comparison of covalent, comparison of ionic character can be identified by the difference. That's why the electronegative value is most important. Kindly follow. Coming for bonding. Halogens form diatomic molecule. All halogens, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2, kindly follow. When other elements combine with halogens, ionic character decreases across the group. Ionic character decreases across the group. That means the fluorine ionic character is more, iodine ionic character less. That means iodine will be covalent character. And covalent character increases across the group. Please follow. So normally you take HF, HCl, HBr, HI. HI is more covalent, HF is more ionic. Coming for the reactivity, please follow. The halogens are very reactive elements and react with metals and many non-metal. Fluorine is the most reactive and the reactivity decreases with increase in atomic number. So when moved down, the reactivity decreases. Kindly follow. First, let me take a reaction with hydrogen. Please follow non-metals. So all combine with hydrogen to give halogen acids, but their affinity for hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. Hydrogen halide dissolves in water to form hydrohalic acids. The acidic strength of these acids varies in this order. That is, kindly follow. HI greater than HBr greater than HCl greater than HF. This is the order. Kindly follow. The order, acidity order increases across the group. Across the group. This is due to the electronegativity difference. The stability of these halide decreases down the group. So which is more stable? HF is more stable, HCl next, HBr next, HI is least. That's why it is more acidic. Then reaction with oxygen, halogen reaction with oxygen. Oxygen is less electronegative than fluorine. Oxygen is 3, we have seen already. 3.5. 3.5. Second most important electronegative element. First fluorine, second is oxygen. Oxygen is less electronegative than fluorine, but more electronegative than other halide. Please follow. Other halide, chlorine 3, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5. So when you compare this chlorine, bromine and iodide, this is greater value. Thus, binary compounds of fluorine and oxygen are fluorides of oxygen rather than oxides of fluorine. Other halogens are less electronegativity than oxygen and thus form oxides. This is the very, very important information. Let me explain further. Fluorine forms two oxides, OF2 and O2F2. That means in this case, oxygen always positive oxidation state. However, only OF2 is thermally stable at 298 Kelvin. Chlorine, bromine and iodine form oxides in which oxidation state of these halogen range from +1 to +7. Kindly follow. Generally, it is observed that stability of oxide formed by halogen will be iodine greater than chlorine greater than Br. And the higher oxides of halogen tend to be more stable than the lower one. Kindly follow. The next one. Reaction with metals towards metals. Action of halogen towards metal. Halogens react with metals to form metal halides. The ionic character of metal halide decreases in the order. Kindly follow. MF greater than MCl greater than MBr greater than Mi, where M is a monovalent metal. Say for example, you take alkali metals, alkaline earth metal, alkali, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, and come for beryllium, lithium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, barium, radium. Kindly follow. So, when you are hitting here, this is alkali metal, this is alkaline earth metal. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Please remember, okay, let me rewrite so without any confusion. So here, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Kindly follow. Hydrogen is the first, it is not a metal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods. So starting from second, the alkaline earth metal, there is no in the first period. Second period is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. So these are the metals. So this is alkali metal, this is alkaline earth metals. So these metals kindly follow. First one monovalent, second is bivalent. So these metal normally reacts with halogen because this is more positive, that is more negative. They will form always ionic compound. Okay, if a metal exhibits more than oxidation state, the halide in higher oxidation state will be more covalent than lower oxidation state. This is the most important information. Kindly follow now. So what is the way we can understand this line? Kindly follow. Let me give now sodium chloride. So I am comparing with barium chloride. So if I want to compare these two, what is information given? The halides in higher oxidation state, this is plus 2, this is plus 1. The halides in a higher oxidation state, kindly follow, will be more covalent than lower oxidation state. So in this case, this is more covalent. Barium chloride, BaCl2, is more covalent than sodium chloride. And also here, in this case, covalent than oxidation state of the halogen they are saying. In that oxidation state, you can think of the corresponding, the halogen combines with oxygen only, you can think of this one, oxidation state. Kindly follow. Where all halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. will be positive oxidation state. So, in that case, the higher oxidation state will be more covalent than lower oxidation state. Kindly follow. Now, reactivity of halogen with the other halogen. This I have already called, this called interhalogen compound. Interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compound. They react among themselves. Halogen combine among themselves to form a number of compounds known as interhalogens of the type XX-, XX-3, XX-5 and XX-7, where X is a large halogen, that is large halogen means size, and X dash is the smaller size. That is why I have given example I, F, I, F3, I, F5 and I, F7. Please follow. So if you go here oxidation state plus 1 for fluorine, the iodine, here plus 3, plus 5, plus 7. Kindly follow. So here smaller size is the halogen, here fluorine, larger size is iodine. I hope I can come to the conclusion. Thank you very much, my dear students. If you are viewing for the first time the YouTube, my channel, Neat Chemistry by Dr.R.G, I request you kindly click and click subscribe button. Also share with your friends. I want to give one information. So I have started this channel in order to help poor students of India, specifically from the poor family. So they need not go for chemistry tuition. Normally students find difficulty only with the physics and chemistry. So, and maths also. So, in my part, I want to help you in chemistry for the poor students. I started this channel. So, my channel is containing from 8th standard to 12th standard, all the chapters I have taken separately. And the level will be BSc level, so that you can even attend IIT advanced level paper can be easily attended by you. In order to that, we are maintaining BSc level. I am maintaining BSc level. The one more information I want to give here is, after finishing these lessons, I will take previous year question papers from IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, etc. I will discuss the questions from the latest. Okay, thank you. For students who are studying +1, +2 and +2 completed students who are waiting for the coming academic NEET entrance examination conducted by Government of India, so I have a good news for you. We are running a coaching center in Pondicherry named Vetri Coaching Center, and we have running for the last 20 years. We have a lot of achievement. Every year we are sending 10 to 20 students to JIPMAR, 150 to 200 students in other medical colleges, a few students for IIT, and for other engineering colleges, hundreds of students we are sending. And one most important achievement I have to inform, in 2003, our student R. Srinivasa Raghavan from Patrick School, he got All India first rank. It is our best achievement of the year. Kindly follow. So, what I want to give additional information, we have our own website, Vetri.s. It is framed by us. The program is framed by us, by Mr. Ganesh B.Tech. And this Vetri.s features I want to inform you. What are the important features? It is having 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. Please follow. So 200 video lesson means approximately you can take 50 video lesson for each unit, +1 and +2 combining. So all the video lessons were taken by experienced, 20 to 30 years of experience in IIT and medical coaching, and also BSc, MSc and MPhil PhD students with a doctorate degree. 20 to 30 years of experience, professors are handling the classes. You can see as a classroom teaching when you view the video. You will get the idea like a classroom coaching atmosphere you can observe. And another important advantage here it is, when the video moves, there is full of notes. Notes will be there. You can touch the video, it will stop. You can take the notes, definition, formula, diagram, tabular column, anything if it is new to you, because we told you we have observed up to, we have maintained up to PhD level. So extra information will be given. So you note anything extra in a separate notebook for separate subject. After the noting, please touch again, it will run. So any number of times you can see. The another important feature is 200 unit test we have. Coming for unit test, please follow, my dear students. All the questions are framed from 20 years of previous question papers of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. So all questions only from previous question paper. You can raise me, what is the advantage of this one? We have observed for the last 6 years of NEET entrance examination conducted by Government of India, 75 to 80 questions, same questions are repeated. Please follow. So this is the advantage. That means Vetri.s will give you 320 marks to you. Kindly follow. Right. The next important feature. So suppose you want to attend the unit test, unit wise it will be there. For example, in this case, Halogen family. So this is coming under the P-block element. So you have to click P-block element. Kindly follow. So immediately there is a menu called attempt. If you click attempt, a window will open. In the window, it will ask you, it will give information. This unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. If you answer correctly, 4 marks awarded. If you answer wrongly, -1 subtracted. Are you ready? There will be yes or no. If yes means click OK. immediately a window will open. You can see question 1, you can see questions. Option A, option B, option C, option D will be there. Below that, there are 3 menu will be there. 3 menu. The left is reverse. This is complete. This is next. So after answering questions, suppose for example you are reading that. And another thing, below again, please follow, this feature is not available in any other online coaching center in India. 1 to 45 questions in yellow color it will be there. Question number, not question, question number 1 to 45 number will be there. Suppose you are reading the first question, you found that it is A is the correct answer. You are clicking. Click A. When you click, automatically 1 in the question answer 1 to 45, yellow color changed to green color. Question number 2 changing to blue color. Please follow. So this is the indication that you have attended. So at any stage, you can observe that what are the questions you have completed, what are the questions not completed. So this is a very, very important information for you, which is not available in other online coaching. Please follow. Okay, after completing this question, you just press the complete, then immediately you will get the window, that program will work out the marks. Immediately it will give now, say example, 160 by 180. Because 45 into 4, 180. Out of 180, you are getting 160. So 20 mark less. So you want to know what question is wrong, what question is right, then you want to verify. So there is a menu called review menu is there. Review, that is next to mark, review. If you press review, a window will open. Please follow, my dear students. This menu option, review option is not available in any other online coaching. This is the characteristic of only Witty-Daughters. So what is question number 1 will open. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Then correct answer it is given. Then there is a video solution will be there. If you have answered A is the correct answer, your answer will be in the form of blue color. Blue color will be there. That means your answer is blue. Correct answer is in yellow color. You can easily compare your is correct or wrong. Both are same, I need correct. Both are different, your answer is wrong. So if you want to verify the answer, you just click the video. Immediately the experienced professor with the doctorate degree will take class like a classroom. He will be standing in front of a board. There will be a question and option. He will read the question, he will read the option, he will explain the basic principle, definition, any formula. In the case of problem, formula, he will work out everything he will do. So he will take minimum 10 to 15 minutes he will take to explain the problem, so that you will have very clear idea. So even a dull student can understand easily. This facility is not available in other online coaching. Please follow, my dear student. If you go and verify other online coaching available in India, there they will give one single word answer or one line answer. Typed matter only they will give. The dull students or below average student, they cannot understand the idea. How it is getting, they cannot understand. But we are giving with theory, slide, everything will be there. And we are taking like a classroom feeling you have. And another important feature is it is a low cost. It is a low cost. It is only 10,000 rupees. Only 10,000 rupees. Kindly follow. So how to pay 10,000 rupees per year? This is 10,000 rupees per year. So pay rupees 10,000 in the name of Santi, Director of Witty Coaching Center, Indian Bank, account number 712719471, IFC code IDIB 000P134, and any query you can contact me 98941 Dear students, before concluding my speech, I want to give some important information. To score more than 600 to 700 marks, how to score in NEET India, NEET entrance examination of India, conducted by Government of India. You have to follow 3 steps. Please follow. This is the most important. 3 steps you have to. First step, attend first botany, zoology, chemistry, and physics. This is the order you have to attend. What is the step follow? First step, you click only known questions. 100% clear. So first step is over. 100% question. Approximately you are saying you click 100%, 100 marks with your hand. Out of 100 questions, kindly follow 400 marks with you. From this 320 marks Vetri daughters will give, because 80 question will be asked from NEET. If you are a member of Vetri daughters. Okay. The next second step, you have to go for difficulty questions. Theoretically difficult. Think twice or thrice. And if you observe that it is worth 80% worth, it is maybe right, put a click. Otherwise, don't. Below 40%, don't click that questions. Don't lose the mark. The third step, go to the problem. Normally, problems will be in physics and chemistry. Chemistry 1/3 and physics 50% will be problems. So use suitable formula, substitute suitable units, do calculation, find out the answer. If the answer is coinciding with the option A, B, C, D, if it is present, please tick. Otherwise, verify your answer again, second time, again compare. If the answer is same, click, otherwise don't click. So this is the 3 steps you follow. If you follow these techniques, and if you definitely you will get 600 to 700 marks, you will come All India first rank, All India rank. So automatically you will get any college you want, interested. That is JIPMER or AIMS or Vellore, any college you can join. So best of luck, my dear students. See you again in the next class.